Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Arlene Ibarra, 73 years old, at 8 years na member ng Handmaids of the Lord. Representing Calabas City.
Kabado. Ayan, nandito naman po ang inyong katanungan. Paano mo susuportahan ang isang kapwa hold kapag humihina ang kanyang pananampalataya sa Diyos? Paano mo susuportahan ang isang kapwa hold kapag humihina ang kanyang pananampalataya sa Diyos?
Sa aking pananaw, ang dapat gawin ay magyanan siya ng magandang paliwanag at ipakita sa kanya ang magandang example para maging matulad din siya sa atin.
We are so proud of you for never giving up on your dreams. Age, just a number, and your courage, timeless. It's never too late to chase what your heart is longing for. And even if you didn't bring home the title, remember this. In our hearts, you already have one. You are and will always be our one and only mahal na Reyna. Joining a contest is no small thing. It's not just winning. It's about showing up, standing strong, and facing every challenge with your whole heart. Thank you, Lola Bashang, for capturing every moment for Mama and for being the most supportive stage daughter anyone could ever ask